Uyabona ngiyanwa njani lamalanga mfethu, I'm fighting mfethu, like kuyaliwa la mfethu, like we are both fighting ngapha nangapha mfethu yabo. So
wena uzobuka
swimming with the big sharks, swimming with the big ones. Oh Loyiso Nkosi yami qeda ngabo abasangithathi serious la kuyaliwa
asikazi. Ayiwa, it's a dog eat dog world, content creation, what.
Like every time, every day, every night, you must think if to strategize, go on the drawing board with like, how should I pull this? Like
how do I make
to be out there? In fact, naming vezikanda nje phakathi kwecheese kayi-1 nje, like i-video ayi-2-3 nyana chukuchukuchi. It's hard but VS. Loyiso
Nkosi yami. It's very hard.
Asilala singalele mara basicabangeli mfethu, yazi content creation is not easy. Yazi sathi siqala i-content sahlekwa sathethiswa sabizwa ngamagama sabuza ukuthi uzama ukwenzani, mara we never gave up. You understand? We never. Mina njengawe Shezi, mina mfethu angeke ngikuvume ungaliswa omunye umuntu uthi hayi mina ngiyayiyeka lento le sokusebenze kanga. Yazi to be on 100k kahle like on TikTok is a blessing, on socials, any social. Thank you Lois. Isida ngaba yi-Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, what 100k, it's a blessing. You can't give up nje mfethu. Bese omunye umuntu hayi zini. Mina vele omunye umuntu ngeke ngisamotivate, angisamotivateani mina. Like nje, like mfethu mina I always wish the best to abantu engisondelane nabo, like I always wish the best for them. Mara omunye umuntu noma ungamwishela i-best, as long yena angayifaki i-effort, ayikho into engizoyenza nami. There's nothing I can do. You understand? Ungajive lapho. Qeda uyasimute. Lwazi usimutile? Hey, hayi. Ngicela ubashaye Loyiso Nkosi yami besimutile. Ngicela ubashaye besimutile ngicela ubashaye.
Hayi
Yo, guys, let's all take.
Imo, thank you so much for the heart mini. Thank you so much Imo for the heart mini. Uyabona le network lena.
Ulwazi umutile.